Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to access private method from other classes. So we know about that private method cannot be accessible from other classes. So to access the private method we have to call inside that same class. But here in .NET we can access it using the reflection. Now let me show you how. So here my class is my private class and I have written a method called my private method which will return a simple string. Now here in the program in the main method I have written the code using the reflection which will invoke that private method. So first line of code is to get the private method which is like type of my private class dot get method is my private method, and here the binding flag is public and instance, sorry, non-public and instance. So what non-public is, non-public will search that will specify that non-public members are to be included in the search, and instance is like it will specify that instance member are included in the search. So now it will give me the method of my private method. Now I want to invoke it, so that will be done using that my method dot invoke and the class name and null. So let's go inside that invoke method. It will take that object and the parameter, and the object is on which we need to invoke the method or constructor, and parameter is if you want to pass any parameter. So here we are not passing any parameter, so let's keep it null. Now let's run it. Okay, so here I am getting the method, and now let's invoke the method. So we can see that the method is called and I'm getting the private method called. Now let's call a parameter as private method. So here I have created a method which will take two parameter, so which is first and second, and it will give some string value. So I have written the code, and here it is. So the same like the first one, which will get the method name my private parameters method. So here I am, while invoking I am passing two object. One is uh, first param and second param. So now let's run this method. Now we can see that we are getting the value second param. Here if we give another value, let's say third, sorry, param, now it will give that type mismatch exception. So here we can see that sorry we can see that parameter count mismatch exception we are getting. I told the wrong one. It should be like a parameter target parameter count exception. That's all, folk. Thank you.